For iPhone users, you may have noticed that the system camera doesn't offer a visible timestamp the way that many Android phones do. The good news is that you can create one yourself with the Shortcuts app. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple shortcut that adds a timestamp to your photo. First, open the Shortcuts app. This is the shortcut I just made. You can pause here to build yours or follow along step by step. Let's begin. Tap the plus button. Search for Take Photo, and no changes needed here. Next, search for Resize Image. We'll set the size to percentage and type 100. Now, let's format the date and time. Search for Current Date, then search for Format Date. You can pick one of the preset styles or customize the format you want. Next, we'll overlay the text on the image. Search for Overlay Text, choose Formatted Date as the text, and place it on the resized image. Oh, don't forget to set the position. I personally prefer to have it at bottom right, but you can choose whatever looks best. Last step, search for Save Photos. It should automatically pull in the image we just created. And I'll name this shortcut Add Timestamp. Okay, let's test it. There you go, you got it. Using shortcuts gives you some control over the formatting of the timestamp. However, the downside is that it relies on your phone system clock, so the timestamp isn't protected against changes or manipulation. Now I want to show you a simpler and much more reliable way. Go to the App Store and search Timemark. Download it. As I already have it on my phone, I'll just open it. When you enter the camera page, you'll see a timestamp watermark at the bottom left corner. It shows the date, time, and location right away. If you tap the timestamp, you can toggle on more fields like your logo, your name, and notes. I'm going to toggle on the coordinates field here. And inside templates, you'll also find lots of preset templates built for different industries. Let's try this one. In one snap, you get a timestamp plus all the context you need. And here's the part that makes Timemark different. Its time and the location are anti-tampering. Let me show you how. Go to your date and time settings and change your system clock. Now go back to Timemark. You see this alert. Timemark detects the manipulation and won't use the altered system time. The timestamp in the photo still shows the correct time in your time zone. This is important if you take photos for claims, inspections, or any situation where the timestamp needs to be trustworthy.